Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a first impressions review of this Radiance skincare system by Duvolle Skincare. So they sent me this skincare brush. It's the Radiance skincare system. It has 4 interchangeable accessories: a facial exfoliation brush, a large body cleansing brush, a facial cleansing brush, and a pumice stone. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. Now, this isn't the first time I've opened the box. Just disclaimer, I have opened it, I had to put batteries in, so it does need 4 AA batteries. It did not come with those. So I really like the packaging, and I don't want everything to fall out, but I really like the packaging and the layout of all of the different faces. So, or brushes. Here are the instructions, so I'm just going to go ahead and open that. And so we have the pumice stone, the exfoliate. Kind of hard to see just because it's in like purple and white, but I believe this is the exfoliation brush and this is the cleansing brush. By the look of this photo, these two look a little similar. This one looks a little lighter, so that makes me think the white one is exfoliating and this one is cleansing. And the pumice stone and the facial cleansing brush. So let's go ahead and take this out and put it to the test. Okay, so right now I just have makeup on, and since I'm not in the shower or anything, I'm not going to use the large brush or the pumice stone right now. But I can use the facial cleansing and exfoliating brush today. By the way, this retails for $95, but they were so kind to give me a coupon code for you guys. The coupon code is PRIZE, P-R-I-Z-E. That will get you 70% off, and it brings it from $95 to $28.50. So go get yours, link in the description. It was very simple to put on the facial cleansing brush. All I did was simply locked in place. So now what we're gonna do is, let me just read the directions, but I think I know how to do it, but let's just check. The facial cleansing brush gently removes excess dirt and makeup residue from your skin. It is great to use prior to exfoliation, which is what I'm going to do. Gently move the facial cleansing brush across your face while moving in a circular motion. So, okay. I'm going to just dip my brush in some water. It's wet. And now I'm just going to use my favorite cleanser, my Cetaphil Gentle Foaming Cleanser. Pump a little bit on here, hopefully that's right, and begin use. This feels awesome. All right, here's the ultimate test. Will it take off my makeup? So I think that what I should do for this review is kind of remove 1/2, exfoliate 1/2, and we can compare. So let's go ahead and do that. Now I'm just gonna wet it again, put a little more cleanser, and then go onto my eye, but so far the brush is holding up great. Okay, so I wet it and put a little bit more cleanser on, and now I'm gonna go for my eye. Oh, soap all in my eye. Wow. I am really impressed with this brush right now. Honestly, it like, okay. it took off all my eye makeup. My face feels really good right now. I like it. So now that we remove the makeup, I look crazy, but it works great. There's a little bit of like the Cetaphil residue on this area. So before you switch brushes, I would just recommend, you know, using a washcloth and just wiping that off. But now I'm gonna go ahead and use the exfoliating facial brush. Lock that on. And I think I will use a little bit more of the Cetaphil cleanser, just a little. And this time it will kind of exfoliate my skin, so it is wet and it has some Cetaphil on it. So let's get to exfoliating. So this one doesn't hurt, but as you can see, my face is kind of getting red because it I don't even know, it's like scratchy. It doesn't hurt. It just feels like a bunch of like exfoliating beads, kind of. Okay, so I have, like, what is this crazy thing on my arm? Does anybody see this? I always get this weird like pimple on my arm. Anyways, so yeah, that really exfoliated my skin. I look a little bit like red, but that's just because of the rubbing. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is, I'm not sure if you're supposed to do this. It doesn't say you can't, it doesn't say you should, but I'm gonna put some moisturizer on the cleansing brush and kind of massage that into my skin, because personally I feel like that would, you know, kind of penetrate the skin with the moisturizer. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. Yes, I am a huge fan of Cetaphil, as we can tell, but no, I'm not sponsored, but I should be. Anyways, so I'm gonna pump some moisturizer. Oh, I missed the, okay. So this is like way more than I need for like my entire face. So I'm just gonna like wipe some off and just, yeah. Yeah, I used too much moisturizer. But besides the fact, that worked great. Loving the way my skin looks. So typically, I'm just gonna go through what I would usually do, like nighttime routine. I think I'm gonna start using this brush every night, because it does say for everyday use on here, but I would typically just use some Cetaphil, pump it on my hands, water, wash my face. But now I feel like I should use the facial cleansing brush with the Cetaphil, wash my face with the brush, and then I actually do like that little trick of putting the moisturizer on the facial cleanser after. And you know, it really feels like the moisturizer got into my skin, and my skin is very moist right now. Final thoughts, I really do love this Duvolle Skincare Radiance Spin Care System. All of the interchangeable accessories, they seem really cool. I think that I'll probably try, you know, this one in the shower, and put that in the comments below on how it goes. I really want to try this one on my feet. The pumice stone. I feel like it would do good things. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video on the Duvolle Radiance Spin Care System.